Hello everyone, my name is Hui Chu. I come from University of Electronic Science and Technology. I will report a PWM-based method for applying ultrasound neuro-modulation. First, I will introduce my search content from the following four aspects. First, introduction. Now intensity focused ultrasound has shown to be effective at introducing modulation of neural activity or behavior outcome. Current studies have proved that low intensity focused ultrasound stimulation has an inhibitory effect on epilepsy in rice. However, the relationship between different ultrasound parameters and the degree of inhibition has not been clearly studied, which are very important to the effect of neuro-modulation. In order to design a portable ultrasound stimulating device with free ultrasound parameters, we proposed a normal method based on pulse-wide modulation to enable the device output any applied ultrasonic device single use a 3-level poster. Look, this is my device. It includes MCU, STM-SAR MCU, and amplifier. This is the handphone. Step one. The frequency response of the transmitting transducer is measured with a handphone. Look, this is the picture. Afterwards, with a STM-SAR MCU, a square waveforms with the same central frequency and varying pulse width is transmitted. The waveform is excited by the transducer, and the frequency domain is the correlation of the waveform and the frequency response of the transmitting transducer. The source field diagram of the transducer scaled with a 3-axis cell in the picture. Source pressure of ultrasound driven by different amplitude measured by handphone in this picture. Look this picture. In order to make my idea, we make a bloom mimicking fine snow and push it by the acoustic regulation force, which causes the mechanical displacement measured by integrated 6-axis accelerometer. We test the We test the displacement under the three different conditions. Look, we can find different PRM, different BDC, and different affinitate. This is the single way. This is the single way test from my divorce. This is the we test the single from the science axis accelerometer. We can find the frequency to 25 Hz and the regular single. The biton make the single momentary motion under the action of sound regulation force. This is the displacement. We test the displacement under three different conditions. The results are satisfied to the application of the Neuro-Modulation. For example, under the test of the sensory frequency under the 8,000 kHz and PRM equals 2005 Hz, DC equals 2020. The acoustic regulation force the miracle displacement. Therefore, it proves that our proposed method can be used to help finding optional Neuro-Modulation solution to triad numeral diseases. Thank you, everyone.